when the sales volume of your store's orders suddenly increases sharply. Are you still processing your orders one by one and pushing them to other platforms for handling? You might lose the order. Under the traditional model, processing an order involves 3 steps, and these 3 steps may lead to undesirable outcomes. To address this situation, 4Seller was born, your free e-commerce manager. Just need to authorize the store to 4Seller, and the orders will be automatically synchronized. It supports handling both online orders and self-fulfillment orders. It can also handle self-built warehouse orders, third-party warehouse orders, and even MCF fulfillment orders. Now 4Seller has integrated with over 20 logistics providers, covering the regions of Europe and America. 4Seller support processing orders for more than 10 platforms, like Amazon, Shopify, TikTok. The order information is complete, and the process of handling the order is also very simple. Now let me show you. Click the green button to buy label one by one. Select shipping carrier and choose the carrier channel you want to use. Finally, click buy label. Or you can click the all orders at same time to buy label in bulk. Then, enter the corresponding warehouse and check the purchase status of the orders. Once the operation is successful, you can batch ship orders. Once you ship orders, the order status will be synchronized to your platform. You can check the shipped orders under the shipped status. Don't hesitate. Click the link to start your e-commerce journey for free.